Okay, a lot of people have been, like, not understanding the female front hub and how to install pegs.
You get asked this a lot at skate parks.
Yeah. Well, we just figured it out, and we just kept screwing the bolt out until it came out. And I guess that's how you do it. But, anyways, we're going to make this into a bike check.
It's like long. So people like think, oh, there's a limit, but there really isn't. It just pops on out.
Yeah. Well, while he was doing that, I'll do the bike check. We'll start in the back. We just put this United 34 Slim peg on. I know I said I was going to sell them, but I'm keeping them because
they're solid pegs and they're not going to snap.
In the back, we have a Cinema 777 rim.
Who's going first?
Yeah. Laced to a Cinema 777 hub. Can't really see it. There you go. And then we got a Duo Stunner Low tan wall. It's rock solid. It's like 110 psi on my phone.
My phone or yours?
Someone's calling me. Here.
Hello?
Integrated seat post.
Hello? Hello? Yeah. Did my mom email you? Did my mom email you? Okay. Yeah, I have to go to like this huge party with my family. Yeah, I forgot to tell you about it, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm fine.
He's lying. That was such a lie. Okay, well that just made the video longer, that's better. We just want to ride bikes. Whatever. Oh, we have these.
Oh wait, for anyone you're wondering, I'm a motherfucking soccer player for the shitty team. We're 2-2.
We got Verde cranks, Duo rest style PC pedals.
Oh my god, he called me out. She called me twice.
I got ODI long neck grips, ODI bar ends.
So important in my life.
Duo seat. The top tube is 20.75.
Does this go in the peg?
No, it goes.
Or does it stay out?
No, you put that on and then you put the bolt through it.
Oh no, I understand. Okay.
Yeah.
It's kind of like.
Over there we got a Verde rack sprocket.
It's like 6.
Pretty thick. What would you say? This is like 5, right? 5 millimeters
Yeah,
thick.
it is a 5mm.
Yeah, 5 millimeters thick. KMC chain. Duo rest style. We have a Verde stem. Verde bars. 8.5 rise. 28.5 width. Verde fork. Right here we have another Cinema 77 rim. Goes to another Cinema hub.
We got the
female
Lux.
hub. Another peg that he's putting on while I do this. So yeah, that's my bike check.
I think there's hub guards on here.
Is there?
Little tiny ones. Look at this.